for just $49.99 in the US, and it's coming to more countries by the end of this year.
Audio. Our goal was to create the very best smart speaker for listening to music for only $99. Is that they all work together seamlessly. One that could easily connect 75% more volume than the original Google Home. We introduced a 19mm tweeter for consistent high-frequency coverage and clear vocals, and added a 75mm mid-woofer that really brings that bass.